Hello students, welcome to online EVS class. Students, are you ready to today's class? Yes? Yes. Okay. Now, 1, 2, 3 eyes on you. You will tell 1, 2 eyes on you. Okay? Again, 1, 2, 3 eyes on you. 1, 2, 3 eyes on me. Okay. Students, are you interested to listen today's class? Yes, very good. Okay. Last class, we already learnt Unit 1, reproduction. Yes? Yes. Now, what is the name of the topic, ma? Unit 1, reproduction. Yes? Okay. Today, our aim of our class, see that Unit 1, reproduction. What is our aim of today's class? Yes, this class also. Today our learning outcomes is describe the importance of reproduction in animals and how offspring resemble parents. Okay. Today our aim of the class was importance of reproduction. Importance of reproduction. Okay. Students, what is our aim of the today's class? Importance of reproduction. Okay. Okay. You already learned some of the few life cycle of animals. Okay. So students, how does life continue on earth? Think and tell me the answer. How does life continue on earth? Yes, very good. You will tell by using reproduction process, a new things are formed with the parents. Okay, the new baby animals are formed with their parents are called reproduction. What is meant by reproduction, ma? See the slide. See the slide. The process of producing individuals of the same kind. Okay, the definition of reproduction is the process of producing individuals of the same kind. Okay, so what is offspring? Already we learned the last class. The baby of a living being is called an offspring. Offspring means baby animal. Okay. The next one. Okay. What are the two ways the animals are formed? What are the two ways the animals are formed? First one is giving birth to young one, and then second one is lay eggs. Okay. What are the two main ways? Giving birth to young one and lay eggs. Yes. The next one, we already learned human life cycles. Students, how many stages are there in human life cycle? Very good, excellent answer. There are 5 stages in human life cycle. Yes, first one fetus, second one baby, third one child, fourth one adult, and then again the recycle start in egg process. Okay. So what is the next one? Already learned elephant life cycle. Yes. What are the three? How many stages in elephant life cycle? Very good, excellent answer. There are 3 stages in a elephant life cycle. Yes, baby, adolescent, and adult. Very good students. Excellent answer. Then third one is hen life cycle. Already we learned. How many stages are in hen life cycle? Very good, excellent answer. There are 4 stages in hen's life cycle. Egg stage, hatching the egg, chick, and fourth one adult. Okay, there are 4 stages in a hen's life cycle. Now, today we will learn life cycle of a snake. Okay, today we will be able to learn life cycle of a snake and frog. Students, today class again we will able to learn snake and frog's life cycle. Okay, are you ready to listen? Yes. See the slide. Life cycle of a snake. How many stages are seen in the picture? How many stages? Very good. There are 3 stages in life cycle of a snake. How many stages? 3 stages. Okay. What is the first stage? What is the first stage? First one, exchange. First one, in snake life cycle. In a snake life cycle, the first stage is exchange. What is the second stage, ma? Again, we see the picture. What is the second stage? Second one is baby snake stage. Yes, very good. Second one is baby snake. Second one is baby snake. See the slide again. What is the second stage? Baby snake. Okay. What is the third stage? You can guess the answer. Very good. Excellent answer. The third stage is adult snake stage. Okay. What is the third stage? The third stage is adult stage. There are 3 stages only in a snake life cycle. Okay. Snake's life cycle. First one egg stage. Second one baby snake. And third one adult. Third one adult snake stage. Okay. So, let me see the details about the life cycle for every stage. Okay. First one, egg stage. Okay. So, snake is one of a reptile. Yes, snake is one of a reptile species. Yes. So, the snake eggs are very soft compared to the bird's egg. The snake's eggs are very soft as leather. Okay. That's a very important point, ma. Compared to bird's egg, the snake's eggs are. Have you seen a snake's egg in a Discovery Channel? Yes, very good. The snake's eggs are also white in color, and it looks very soft and very soft as leather. Okay, it looks like a leather or very soft. Okay, compared to bird's egg, the bird's eggshell are very hard compared to the snake's egg. Okay, so the snake's eggs looks very soft as leather. Second one, baby snake. Okay, after few days, the baby snakes come out from the egg part. Okay, come out from the egg part. What is the looks of the baby snake? The baby snake looks like an adult snake, but it is very thinner or smaller. The size is very smaller and thinner size. After they grow up, old state into the old state, they shed their skin. Okay, shed the skin. That is the main important part. Shed the skin part. Okay, the baby snake grows up, shed the skin part. Okay. And what is the third one? Third stage of the snake. The third stage is adult stage. Third stage is the adult stage. After few days, the young snakes grows into 2 to 4 years. How many years? The young snake grows up into 2 to 4 years. It can develop in an adult snake. Okay, adult snake. So, the adult snake, it can recycle again of the life cycle. Okay, the adult snake is ready to recycle to restart the life cycle again. Okay, so there are only 3 stages of a snake life cycle: egg stage, baby snake, adult stage. Okay, the snake's eggs looks very softer, and the baby snake grows up, shed the skin, and then third stage, the young snake is after grow up 2 to 4 years, they change into adult snake. Okay, so the snake's life cycle is over. Next, we see the assessment part. We see the worksheet. Okay, take your book, worksheet book, ma. Take your worksheet book and turn the page number 15. Turn the page number 15. Okay, see the slide and show the worksheet. Your first question, label the stages of a snake's life cycle in the diagram given below. Okay, only the pictures are given in the worksheet. So you can identify the stages and write the names of the stage. Okay. So what is the first stage of the snake? Okay, you can write the answer in a dash. First one, egg stage. Very good. First one, egg stage. What is the second stage? What is the second stage? Baby snakes coming out of the eggs. What is the second stage? You can write the second dash. Write the answer. Baby snake coming out of the eggs. Okay. So see that's the third one. Third picture. A baby snake stage. Okay. See the third one. Baby snake stage. Fourth one. Adult snake stage. Okay. Note it your answer in the first question. Okay. So, come to the second one, fill in the blanks. Come to the second one, fill in the blanks. Read the first one, A question. The snake's eggs are dash. Students, what is the answer? The snake's eggs are dash. Very good. The snake's eggs are soft. What is the answer? The snake's eggs are soft. Okay, come to the B question. The baby snakes break out of the egg using a dash. Guess the answer? Yes, the baby snake come out from the special egg tooth. Coming from the special egg tooth. Using the egg tooth, the small baby snake come out from the eggs. Okay, what is your answer? Special egg tooth. What is the second answer? Special egg tooth. The baby snakes break out of the egg using a special egg tooth. Okay. Come to the C question. As the baby snakes grow old, they shed the dash. I already told that. Okay. The baby snake grow old, they shed the skin. So the skin is the answer. Very good. Excellent answer. Come to the D question. D question. A young snake grows up in dash years. How many years are grows in young snake? Very good. 2 to 4 years. Write the answer in a dash mark. 2 to 4 years. Very good. Again, we can see that first answer is salt. Second answer is special egg tooth. C question answer is skin. And D question answer is 2 to 4 years. Okay. So students, next we see the third question. If the eggs of a snake were also hard, what problems would the baby snake have? If the eggs of a snake were also hard, what problems would the baby snake have? Yes, excellent answer. The baby snakes have. Yes, the baby snakes cannot come out from the egg part. So the snake egg is very soft, but it is very hard. The baby snake cannot come out from the eggs. That is the answer. Yeah, very good. The fourth question. Write any one difference between the eggs of a hen and those of a snake. What is the difference of eggs of a hen and snake? Yes, superb answer. Snake eggs are very soft. Hen eggs are very hard. Okay, snake's eggs are soft. Hen eggs are hard. Very good. Students, did we see the next concept? Okay. Next one, we see that frog-like snake. Next one, we see the frog-like snake. Okay, see the slide, ma? Students, how many stages in frog's life cycle? Look at the picture. Look at the picture. Yes, there are 4 stages. How many stages? 4 stages in a frog's life cycle. See that first one, egg stage. And then second one, what stage? Very good, tadpole. What is the second stage? Tadpole. And then third stage, frog-like stage. What is the third stage? Frog-leg stage. And then last one. What is the last stage, ma? Yes, fourth one stage is adult frog. What is the last stage of the frog life cycle? It's a adult stage. Yes. Students, see the slide. First one egg stage. Second one. First one egg stage. Second one tadpole. And third stage froglet. Fourth one adult frog. How many stages? Only there are 4 stages in a frog's life cycle. First one, what is the first stage? Egg stage. Second one tadpole. Third one froglet. And fourth one adult frog. Okay. Okay. Now we can detail of the every stages. Okay. See that first one egg stage. Have you seen a frog's eggs in water? Yes? Very good. First one, egg stage. First one, egg stage. Okay. The frog's eggs lay eggs. The frog lay thousands of eggs in water. Okay. How many eggs? A frog lay thousands of eggs in water. But some of the eggs can survive. Some of the eggs can eaten by fish, big fish. Okay. Some of the eggs can only survive. Some of the eggs can eaten by fish, big fish. Okay. So this is the first one, egg stage. Okay. So the frog egg looks like inside of a frog egg is a fluid or jelly. Okay. Jelly parts are covered. Inside of a frog egg is a jelly or covered. Okay. Then second, what is the second stage? That one is a tadpole stage. Okay. Tadpole stage means thalaithirattai vadivam. The word meaning in Tamil, thalaithirattai vadivam. Okay. So what is the second stage of a frog's life cycle? Tadpole stage. So tadpoles inside of the frog egg, the tadpoles are developed and ready to hatch out. Ready to hatch out in the land. Okay. So in this stage, some of the tail parts, one of the tail parts are developed back of the tadpole. Okay. So in this stage, the tadpole breathes through the gill spot. Gill spot means, what is the meaning of gills? Yes, the fishes breathe through the gill spot in water. Same like that, the tadpole also breathe through the gill spot. Gills means gills is a small hole that placed on the both side of the frog's head. So the tadpole is breathe through the skin part, and then small tail. It has small tail. It helps to swim. What is the use of tail? It helps to swim. Okay. What is the use of gill spot? Tadpole breathe through the gill spot. Okay. So come to the third one. What is the third stage of froglet? What is the third stage? Froglet stage. What is the third stage? Froglet stage. So students, listen carefully. In a human being, come to the baby stage. Baby stage, compared to the parents and the baby, similar characters are like that. But compared to the frog life cycle, the tadpoles is totally modified totally changed the body shape from the adult frog. Look at the adult. Have you seen the adult frog? Students, have you seen the adult frog? Very good. See the slide, ma? See the slide? Look at the adult frog. Yes, the adult frog is totally modified from the tadpole body parts. Yes. So the complete change from baby to adult animal are called metamorphosis. 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 The word meaning in Tamil. Metamorphosis. The word meaning in Tamil. Urumatram. What is the word? Metamorphosis. Okay. That one is the important word. Metamorphosis. Spell the word metamorphosis. Metamorphosis. What is meant by metamorphosis? The complete change from baby animal to adult animal. Okay. This process is called metamorphosis. The metamorphosis takes occur only in frog's life cycle, not in other life cycle. Only in frog life cycle, the metamorphosis can occur in this place. Okay. So the third one is froglet stage. In this stage, metamorphosis takes occur. Some of the small tiny pump. BUMP. Tiny pump. So tiny pump are developed near the tail and head part. Okay. In this stage, the frog heads are grows bigger. Okay. The froglet stage. See that third stage is froglet stage. In this stage, near the tail part and head part, the small tiny bump. Tiny pump means a small organ of the backbone. Backbone like that. Frog backbone. The bump part are develop the froglets. Froglet bone. Okay. So in this stage, the froglet's head is grow bigger size. Okay. So, in this stage, after a few days, the froglets coming out of the land and catch the insects or walk on land. Okay, in this stage or then. Come to the fourth stage. Fourth one is adult frog. What is the fourth stage? What is the fourth stage, man? The fourth stage is adult. Fourth one is adult stage. What is the fourth stage? Egg stage, tadpole, froglet and adult stage. Okay. So, after 4 years, after 1 to 4 years. How many years? 1 to 4 years. From the egg stage after 1 to 4 years, a big adult frog are developed on them, and the female frog and male frog breed through them and restart again. Life cycle begin. Okay. There are 4 stages only in a frog life cycle. Clear the concept? Yes. Next one, we see the assessment part. Metamorphosis. Okay, students, take your worksheet book, page number 16. Take your worksheet book, page number 16. Okay. What is your first question? Fill in the blanks. What is the first question, mark? Fill in the blanks. Question number A. A frog lays its eggs in dash. A frog lays its eggs in dash. Okay. What is the answer? Can you guess the answer? Very good. Excellent answer. A frog lays its eggs in water. What is your answer? The frog lays its eggs in water. Write the answer in your worksheet book. Okay. Come to the second question. B question. The dash develops inside the eggs. The dash develops inside the egg. Which stage are developed from inside of the eggs? Yes, very good. Tadpoles only develops inside the eggs. Your answer is tadpoles. The tadpoles develops inside the eggs. Come to the third question. Students, come to the third question. Tadpoles begin their metamorphosis at the dash stage. Which stage is metamorphosis get occurred? Yes, there are third stage only metamorphosis begin there. Okay, what is your answer? tadpoles begin their metamorphosis at the froglet stage. What is the third question answer? Froglet stage. Write the answer in the dash. Froglet stage. Your first A question answer water, B question answer tadpole, and C question answer very good froglet stage. Okay. So come to the second question. Given below are some body parts that can change and other changes that takes place during a frog's life cycle. Pick the stage during which they take place. Okay, students? Are you ready? Okay. First column, body parts or changes. Okay. So, tadpole, froglet or frog. There are 3 stages are given. So, your answer is correct. In which stage are correct? So, you can tick it the answer. Okay. First one, gills outside body. Gills outside body. Very good. You can tick in the column tadpole. Tick in the tadpole column. Tadpole. Come to the second one. Tail. Tail parts are seen in which stage? Very good. Tadpole tick it and froglet also tick it. Third question. Legs. Legs are developed in which stage? Which stage of a frog life cycle develop their legs part? Very good. Frog. This is the last stage. Adult frog is the only have a froglet and adult. Froglet and adult. So both of this correct answer. Legs answer. Froglet and frog. Okay. Come to the fourth one. Bump. Bump. Which one is the correct answer? Bump. So the bump are developed in the which stage? Froglet stage. Which stage? Froglet, third stage. So, bump answer froglet. Tick it. The next one, breathe outside water. Breathe outside water. Which stage? Excellent answer. Froglet and frog. Froglet and frog. Next question, walk on land. Walk on land. Which stage? Yes. Froglet stage and frog stage. Both of the correct answer. Froglet stage and frog. Then last one, reproduce. Reproduce. Very good. Frog stage. Adult frog stage. Tick it. Okay. Remaining 2 questions only. Third question ma. Hens and frogs both lay eggs. Name 3 differences in their life cycle. What is the differences between hens and frog? Hens and frog? Yes, hens lay eggs only 300 eggs per year. But frog lay thousands of eggs in water. Okay, that is the first difference. Hen lay only 300 eggs per year, but egg lay thousands of eggs. That is the first difference. What is the second one? A hen lay eggs on land. Very good. But frog lay in water. Okay, that is the second one. What is the third difference? The hen cannot change their metamorphosis process. But frog change their metamorphosis in a froglet stage. So third difference is metamorphosis. Okay. So there are 3 differences are given. You can write it. Okay. So next question. Your last question is, why is the froglet stage very important in a frog life cycle? You can analyze the answer. Students, share me the answer. Very good. The froglet stage is very important in a frog life cycle because metamorphosis process begins at the froglet stage. A small front leg or small back legs are developed the froglet stage. So, the froglet stage is very important in a frog life cycle. Write the answer. Very good. Students, today, once again recall today's class. Today, our aim of the class, importance of reproduction. Some of the life cycles are, today we have seen snake life cycle and then frog life cycle. How many stages in snake life cycle? Egg stage, baby snake and adult snake. Okay. How many stages in frog life cycle? 4 stages in frog life cycle. How many stages in frog snake life cycle? Egg stage, baby snake, adult snake. Okay. How many stages in frog life cycle? There are 4 stages in frog life cycle. Egg stage, tadpole, froglet and adult stage. Okay. Students, do your worksheet properly and write the answer. Okay. Okay. Thank you.